The state's high court is recommending the suspension of the law license of a Union County attorney. Today is Tuesday, March 17th, and this is 570 News on the Go, brought to you in part by NorthCentralPA.com. Partly sunny today, gusty winds, a high in the low 30s. The Daily Item reports the state Supreme Court is recommending that New Berlin attorney Daryl Yount's license be suspended for 3 months for professional misconduct. Yount had charged an elderly couple $10,000 for estate, wills, and trust work, but failed to handle the matters completely. After they discharged him, he refused to return their full retainer and provided them with draft papers of the estate that had typographical errors and names of other clients that had been copied and pasted onto the document. The Pennsylvania Lawyers Fund for Client Security became involved to restore the couple's fees. Yount was admitted to the bar in 2017 and practices civil litigation and business law. 19-year-old Xavier Walker Stoner of Williamsport is jailed on firearms and drug charges. The Sun-Gazette reports that 5 days after he allegedly sold a handgun to an informant, he sold 28 grams of marijuana to the same informant. The report filed by the Narcotics Enforcement Unit noted the serial number on the handgun had been obliterated. Walker Stoner was arraigned on multiple felonies, including carrying a firearm without a license. His bail was set at $95,000. He remains jailed. A Williamsport woman is accused of using a friend's credit card to steal from him. The male acquaintance had given 43-year-old Patricia Falk permission for one single transaction. However, over a 3-week period, she used the man's credit card at least 100 times illegally through a cash app. The Sun-Gazette reports Falk was arraigned on felony charges of access device fraud and theft by deception. She's free on bail. The renovations at the Pennsylvania Military Museum won't be completed in time for the upcoming Memorial Day weekend festivities in Boalsburg. The museum site administrator said they are now aiming for the doors to open in 2027. WTAJ reports the renovations related to the HVAC system are causing the delay. There were humidity concerns and some condensation could pose a very serious threat to the museum's collections. Even though the doors are closed, the museum still has several site events planned for this year. More information can be found at pamillmuseum.org. The newest hotel in Center County opened last week. True by Hilton welcomed guests on Thursday at their Leahy Drive location in Benner Township. The hotel, designed for cost-conscious travelers, is in close proximity to Penn State University, Beaver Stadium, Interstate 99, and the development boom along the Benner Pike. The owner, Hospitality Asset Management Company, also has 2 other Center County hotels in the work. True by Hilton is the second hotel to open on the Benner Pike in the past 5 months. The Avid Hotel in Candlewood Suites by IHG recently opened less than a mile north. Construction is underway for a home to Suites by Hilton at the Shiloh Commercial Park, and it is hoped ground will be broken this spring for the long-awaited boutique hotel as part of the Bellefonte Waterfront project. And congratulations to Hannah and Joseph Fye. The Jersey Shore family is celebrating the rare birth of quintuplets born to their Nigerian dwarf goat, Bernie. On March 5th, Bernie gave birth to Pepper, Coca, Honey, Peanut, and Sugar on the Five Funny farm. The Lock Haven Express reports some of the babies will go to new homes in 6 to 12 weeks, and some will be 4-H show goats. For the latest in news and events, head on over to NorthCentralPA.com. I'm Liz Brady, and you're up to date with 570 News on the Go.